IBM invented folding smartwatch that can go from watch to phone to full tablet. The company is responsible for some of the most advanced innovations in history, and it seems they are not stopping thinking outside of the box. But this patent, published by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office on June 11, 2019, and unearthed by Dutch tech publication Let's Go Digital, may be too much. 8 panels, each 3x 2 inches. That's 12x 8 inches at its maximum size. At that point, your smartwatch is a tablet or a shield to defend yourself. The patent, titled Variable Display Size for an Electronic Display Device, describes the wristband device that looks like a watch. It has a rectangular display in portrait mode with no bezels at all. Under the watch there are 7 additional displays stored in compartments. While the patent doesn't clearly describe how the unfolding or assembly process works, IBM claims that users would be able to extend the area of the display from 1 to 2 to 4 to 8 panels